POTS lines were a long-standing technology that gave enterprises the ability to transmit voice over copper wires. From telephone and security systems to elevators and fire alarms, POTS lines were important, but voice over IP and cloud communications are the new standard. The FCC recommends that POTS lines get expeditiously replaced and upgraded to avoid increasing cost, copper degradation, and compliance risks. This is where AireSpring steps in. AireSpring's POTS replacement solution is designed to replace legacy copper lines, helping you transition with optimized wireless and broadband failover support. With a seamless, fully managed deployment and no hidden monthly charges, your outdated POTS lines are professionally replaced. AireSpring also provides built-in failover and battery backup in case of outages, while being designed to meet regulatory compliance. With AireSpring, you also have your solutions all in one place, including fully managed voice services, SIP trunking, Microsoft Teams direct routing, long-distance services, managed network solutions, all backed by our award-winning customer service, and Air Control, our AI-powered IT service management platform. As the FCC accelerates the retirement of POTS lines, be prepared with AireSpring, and migrate to a cost-effective solution with peace of mind and avoid risky outages, increasing costs, and compliance issues. To find out more, reach out to an authorized AireSpring sales representative or email us at sales@airspring.com.